Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on January 5th and 6th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Bird Day. National Bird Day, observed annually on January 5th, is a day to celebrate the beauty and diversity of birds, as well as raise awareness about the challenges they face in the wild and in captivity. This day serves as an opportunity for bird enthusiasts and conservationists to advocate for better care of bird species and their habitats. It's a time when people are encouraged to recognize the critical role birds play in our ecosystems and the intrinsic value they add to the natural world. Educational events, bird-watching excursions, and conservation efforts are typically organized to mark the occasion, highlighting the importance of protecting birds and the environments they inhabit. The day also underscores the issues of bird trafficking and the exotic pet trade, aiming to educate the public on the ethical considerations and the impact on species survival. National Bird Day often includes initiatives to promote bird-friendly practices, such as creating bird-friendly windows to prevent collisions, keeping cats indoors to protect birds, and supporting habitat conservation efforts. Bird lovers are encouraged to participate in citizen science projects, such as bird counts, which contribute valuable data for bird conservation. Overall, National Bird Day is a call to action for the protection and appreciation of birds, combining celebration with education to inspire a concerted effort towards bird conservation worldwide. National Keto Day. National Keto Day is observed annually on January 5th, marking a day dedicated to the ketogenic, or keto, diet, a high-fat, adequate protein, and low-carbohydrate eating plan that has gained significant popularity in recent years. This day is celebrated by enthusiasts and practitioners of the diet as a way to share success stories, exchange recipes, and encourage others to consider the health benefits that many have attributed to this lifestyle change. The ketogenic diet is primarily known for its potential to promote weight loss, improve blood sugar control, and even increase mental clarity and energy levels due to the way it shifts the body's metabolism from carbohydrates to fats as its primary source of fuel. National Keto Day not only highlights the personal health goals and achievements of individuals who have adopted this lifestyle but also serves as an educational platform to discuss the science behind ketosis, the state the body enters when it begins to burn fat for fuel due to the reduced intake of carbohydrates. The day encourages discussions about the various types of ketogenic diets, tips for maintaining this lifestyle, and the potential challenges and solutions for those interested in starting their journey. Whether through social media campaigns, community potlucks featuring keto-friendly dishes, or seminars from nutritionists and experts, National Keto Day is a day for keto enthusiasts to unite, inspire, and educate others about the benefits and considerations of choosing a ketogenic lifestyle. National Whipped Cream Day. National Whipped Cream Day is celebrated on January 5th each year, delighting dessert lovers and food enthusiasts alike. This day is dedicated to honoring the sweet and fluffy topping that enhances the flavor of various desserts, beverages, and fruits. Whipped cream is made by beating heavy cream until it becomes light and airy, often sweetened and sometimes flavored with vanilla or other essences. It's a staple in many culinary traditions, beloved for its creamy texture and ability to add a luxurious touch to simple and elaborate dishes alike. The celebration of National Whipped Cream Day often coincides with the birthday of Aaron Bunny Lappin, the inventor of the now ubiquitous canned whipped cream, Reddi-wip. On this day, people are encouraged to appreciate the versatility and joy whipped cream brings to food. From topping hot chocolates and coffees to being a crucial component of cakes, pies, and ice cream sundaes, whipped cream adds a special touch to many treats. Bakeries and cafes might showcase special menus featuring whipped cream, and individuals are inspired to get creative in their kitchens, experimenting with homemade whipped cream recipes and sharing their culinary creations with friends and family. The day serves as a sweet reminder of the simple pleasures in life, urging everyone to take a moment to savor the delight that whipped cream adds to our favorite desserts. Three Kings Day. Three Kings Day, also known as Epiphany or the Feast of the Epiphany, is celebrated on January 6th each year and marks the biblical adoration of baby Jesus by the three wise men, Melchior, Caspar, and Balthazar. After following a star across the desert for 12 days, the Magi found the baby Jesus and offered him gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. This day is widely celebrated in Christian cultures around the world and marks the conclusion of the 12 days of Christmas. In many countries, Three Kings Day is a day of joy and celebration, involving a range of customs and traditions. Children often leave their shoes out the night before, expecting to find them filled with gifts and sweets from the kings in the morning, much like the concept of Santa Claus on Christmas Day. In addition to gift giving, parades and pageants are common, depicting the journey of the wise men and their arrival in Bethlehem. One of the most beloved traditions is the Rosca de Reyes or King's Cake, a sweet, circular pastry that symbolizes a crown. A small figurine representing baby Jesus is hidden inside the cake, and the person who finds it is said to receive blessings and is tasked with hosting a party on Candlemas in February. Three Kings Day not only commemorates an important biblical event but also focuses on the themes of revelation, joy, and sharing blessings with others, making it a heartfelt and festive occasion. Apple Tree Day. Apple Tree Day, celebrated on January 6th, is a day to appreciate and recognize the value and significance of apple trees in our lives. This day isn't as widely recognized as some other holidays, but it serves as a moment to celebrate the beauty, fruitfulness, and symbolism associated with apple trees. The apple tree has been a symbol of knowledge, wisdom, and folklore in various cultures throughout history. On this day, people are encouraged to learn more about the importance of apple trees to the environment, their health benefits, and their role in local and global ecosystems. Celebrants of Apple Tree Day might plant new apple trees, care for existing ones, or engage in activities like pruning and learning about different apple varieties. It's also a common practice for individuals to enjoy apples in various forms, eating them raw, baking apple pies, or making cider. The day can also be educational, with activities centered around understanding the process of growing apple trees and the significance of orchards to wildlife and biodiversity. Apple Tree Day serves as a reminder of the connection between humans and nature, encouraging stewardship of the environment and appreciation for the bountiful gifts that trees, especially apple trees, provide. Whether through enjoying an apple, planting a tree, or simply taking a moment to reflect under the canopy of an apple tree, this day is about connecting with nature and the rich traditions and health benefits associated with one of the world's most beloved fruits. National Bean Day. National Bean Day is celebrated every year on January 6th, coinciding with the death of famous geneticist Gregor Mendel, who used bean and pea plants to test his theories on inheritance. This day is an opportunity to recognize the importance and versatility of beans in various cuisines and cultures worldwide. Beans are not only a staple food in many diets but are also celebrated for their nutritional value, being packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals while being low in fat. On National Bean Day, people are encouraged to incorporate beans into their meals, whether through traditional dishes or new recipes. It's a day for food enthusiasts, chefs, and home cooks to experiment with different types of beans, from kidney beans and black beans to pinto beans and navy beans, and to explore the vast array of flavors and textures they offer. Educational events may focus on the health benefits of beans, sustainable agriculture, and how beans can play a role in addressing food security and dietary needs. Community potlucks, cooking demonstrations, and recipe sharing are common ways people come together to celebrate the humble yet nutritious bean. National Bean Day serves as a reminder of the simple, nourishing foods that can be found in nature and encourages everyone to consider the role of beans in a healthy, balanced diet. National Cuddle Day. National Cuddle Up Day is celebrated annually on January 6th, offering a cozy respite in the heart of winter. This day encourages people to find warmth and comfort through cuddling with loved ones, pets, or even cozying up with a favorite blanket or stuffed animal. The idea behind the day is rooted in the numerous benefits of physical touch and closeness, which include reducing stress, feeling happier, and releasing oxytocin, the hormone associated with bonding and affection. On National Cuddle Up Day, individuals are encouraged to snuggle up with their partners, children, or friends to enjoy the emotional and physical benefits of closeness. It's a perfect time for movie nights, reading together, or simply relaxing in a comfortable space. For those who prefer the company of pets, it's an opportunity to spend quality time with a furry friend. The day is also an excellent reminder of the importance of warmth and affection in maintaining a healthy and happy life, especially during the colder, darker winter months. In addition to personal health benefits, National Cuddle Up Day underscores the importance of nurturing relationships and taking time out of our busy schedules to slow down and enjoy simple, affectionate moments with others. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.